Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're gonna upcycle some envelopes to create some pockets for my fairy journal. Fairy journals is working in progress, but we've done tons of video this month. We've done an ephemera, cards, pop-up cards, etc, etc. So if you miss it, go back to my channel and watch the videos. I have used my April VIP lounge papers. In case you're new to me, my VIP lounge is simply a monthly membership where every month you get tons and tons of digital goodies to download from my website. Before I show you how to make these little pockets, let me show you what you get when you join the month of April. The main theme for April is gardening. Okay, so the first kit is called Whispers from the Garden, and it's a collection of, like, there's a lot of florals, there's a lot of like natural textures. I'm just gonna give you a quick flick through. So you've got one page here with a lovely background with like wood and flowers. Then you've got a page with all the wellies for gardening tools. The palette is all the same, so there's this baby blue, pastels and pinks. Okay, so it's all working together. This page here, you've got 4 backgrounds scaled, so you can make like card bases, greetings card, vintage cards. You can either do like little seeds packets, things like that. You've got a page with butterflies decoration and some ephemera pieces that you can either layer, because these butterflies are bigger than this, so you can layer them up. Another background with all like the gnome, the boots, the Wellington boots, some lavender, the bees, everything you need in the garden. Another plain background with wood textures. Of course, couldn't be a kit without some watering cans. And just a plain small case floral background. Oh, this is my favorite page of the kit because it's got these very bright blues and pinks. Then you got a page with 3 tags, 1, 2, 3, and then an envelope. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it because it's quite, oh yeah, if I zoom it in, you can see them all. Each month you get a collection of bookmarks or tags. This month the bundle is this one. It says 4 very large rectangular tags. Again, you can use, they're designed to be bookmarks, but you can use as tags as well. Again, there is like birds, there is fruit, there is like natural things, and there's like magazines. I do like a little collage. Love these. Then each month you get a letter gift box. We nearly finished the alphabet. We are on letter X, and this month is this one here. So you get, this is probably the easiest letter to be put together because you get the front and the back, which are exactly the same, and then you get 2 tabs for that, and then the two square tags from the top, okay, which is 2, 3 and 4. Very easy to make, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done up. This is what it looks like when it's done up in 3D. Very easy to make, and all my 3D gift box letters stand up, okay, because as I said, 3D. Very easy to make, and I think it's super cute with this month papers. Let me show you all the alphabet that we've done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. Fucking rich. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and R, S, Lovely, like velvet florally. And then T. There we go, U and V. And then letter W. Letter X. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. Now, this month, I'm gifting you Molly Makes. Molly Makes is a magazine that does all sorts of crafting, not just paper craft, but it's jewellery making, there is knitting, there is paper craft, there is card making. So it's more crafting on a 360 degrees. So loads ideas and inspirations. So this edition is from April 2013, and it has 108 pages. And yeah, loads. It's probably one of my favorite craft magazine because, as I said, it's not just paper. So you get all different, as you can see, I'm giving you a quick flip through. You get all different projects. Last but not least, every month you get a gift from me, which is normally another digital paper set. And this month is this one. It's called the Garden Fairies. Of course, it's a little gift that I'm giving you. And it's all the alphabet with the lovely fairies. Okay, so we got A to H. So there's 8 cards on each page. Then we got letter I to letter P. Lovely. Q to Z. And then the last page, I decided to give you 4 large backgrounds that you can do anything that you want with them. I've got a couple of ideas of what I want to do with these papers. So yeah, this is what you get for the month of April. Starting price is £2 a month, and I don't really know what you get nowadays with £2. I know you can't get a coffee because coffee is becoming very expensive, but yes, so all of this for as little as 2 months. Okay guys, so the starting point, let me just move things out of the way. So I've got few of those. They're just like plain envelopes, but I want to make some pockets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them in half roughly. I'm not measuring anything, literally like so. Some are bigger than another, but it doesn't matter. And then on here, I'm just going to, actually, they would be nice like that. Okay, so this is what the envelopes look like chopped up. I only want this bit here. Okay, so I'm going to use some of my, what's this called? It's an ink paper pad I have. There's loads left. There's 20 design. I can't remember. I don't really know who made this. Craft Consortium. I don't know. I can't remember. So I've got a few pages left. So I'm going to cover these plain white envelopes with some of those. I think I'm going to use this one. I like the pink and gold. Oh, and this. Okay. I think I'm going to use this as well. So I'm just going to cover it and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's my 3 little envelope pockets. 1, 2, and 3. And it's nice because they're all 3 different sizes, which is brilliant. Then what I've done, die cut. This is my favorite die. It's from Stampin' Up. And I use it as an embellishment. I've done probably 900 million videos on my channel with this, and I die cut this because I want to use this as a closure. So I'm going to stick this on the bottom. Okay, this will remain open, and then I use that as a flap, so when this is down it stays shut. Okay, so I think I got 3. 1, 2, yes, and 3. So I've done 2 in pink because I had some scraps, and 1 in this like blue color. But I was either contemplating to put a die, but I think it's going to be a bit too much. I do like, yeah, no, I think it's going to be a bit too much with the doily. So let's remove the doily. So that, and then I really wanted to use the fairy. Now, unless, because I don't, oh, actually, unless I put that there, but then it's going to cover it. Right, thinking time. So let's work this out. So if I do that, unless we just use it like that, and then we put this on the flap as a decoration. Yeah, let's do that. And I love the blue one, because look, the blue and pink as a combination, I think it really, really works. Don't you guys think? I might put this in the middle, or we put that there and that on top. Right, I worked it out. Let me be right back. Okay, so I worked it out. So I put the fairies and the doilies. I've added a yellow here because I think it goes very well, because there's a bit of yellow in here. And I actually put more cardstock, if I can speak, inside the lap as well, so it's front and back. Now, because they're a bit too plain for my likings, I'm going to add some of my ribbon stickers. These are from Topology, I want to say. So literally, I'm just going to cut a couple of flowers and decorate this, so we still stay in the garden forest sort of like theme. Okay guys, that's it, finished. So this is one. I just put a rose there and another flower there, and then inside here I just put a couple of leaves because it is a bit, I don't know what you can see on camera, but it's quite dark on the background, and then space to put ephemera in that envelope. The back all plain because they're going to be attached to my journal, so you only won't see the top. This is the second. Just put a rose there, and then inside a couple of flowers. And then last one, which is probably my favorite one, I put some yellow flowers there because there's a yellow doily, and I put a flower on top because I think it was a bit of plain. And then inside, just a simple stem bunch of flowers. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I hope I give you some ideas to make some cute little pockets. I will show you what the journal will look like. And finally, I've got this off eBay for the cover. It's a fabric with fairy. Love that. So I'm sure it will be enough. It was just a scrap of fabric, so I'm sure it will be enough. So now I can finally do the cover of the journal, and I will show you everything. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you wish to join my VIP lounge and get every month get little goodies, I will put all the links down below. It's literally, guys, £2. I don't know what you get nowadays with £2, but if you wish to join, let me show you where to get it. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay, Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. And I got a Friday freebie coming up, so in the next couple of days. So keep watching. And guys, I'll see you on Friday. And then next week, I'll show you the fairy journal. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.